Christmas.
I've got a cold. I've had it for 2 weeks.
Yes.
So I apologize for my voice. And in fact, let me just go ahead and take a cough drop right now. I bring you greetings from Tulare Community Church, your sister church. And we are so grateful and thankful for the work that you're doing here in Visalia. It's very important to us that the Wahoo people hear the gospel of Jesus on a regular basis. And so I thank you for that. Thank you for having me, and I'd like to say a personal word of thanks and gratitude for those of you who prayed or gave money for my family when my mother passed away just a little while ago. Thank you so much for that. It meant everything to know that you were thinking about us. She was 100 years old and 4 months. She lived a long and very good life. And so we're very thankful to Christ for that as well. And then I also bring you an apology. I bring you an apology from Pastor Daniel. As you may know, we've got a brand new head guy at Tulare Community Church. Pastor Daniel Tierman is his name, and he wanted to be here today. But in the week prior to it, he got a request to do a baptism this morning from a long-standing family in the church, and he just didn't feel like he could turn that down. So he's doing a baptism as we speak. And so he wants to come again, so if you'll invite us back again, we'll come back another time and enjoy your wonderful service. And then I would like to invite you. Should you be speaking English? Okay.
Community church or Tandila, Nihagelula, Hada, Pendaji or Chotida, Lala, Yachepato, Yalaji, Obu, Jaji Yao, Gile, Ketewe, Nimatima, Najinosi, Oyaha, Gapu, Chinayata, River, or his surgery, or his surgery, on Nihetepa, Bugalo, Putanetepa. Gatanjele Obu Jaji Yao, Jechiviola, Yo, Georgiaji, Jane Kaji Yao, Ketewe, Yani, Oyao Kulule, Lalo Lecula, Pastor Daniel, Salanur, Pastor Daniel Tilman, your last name were Pali Lamagati, Biopuli, Nihege Lokoji Yao, La Lamagakele, Ousaway, La. The book of Guave, Yanjo Lalo, to Trayola Malagali, Yani, Weaka, to do with Yani Chakato, Chojole, Yoaku Pato, Yantimia, Lamaga, Kali, or Kanovi, Kalkomodala, Togia, Bugalo, Machejo.
I'd like also to invite you on the 23rd, that's this Wednesday, to Tulare Community Church at 6 o'clock. We're going to have a concert, violins and strings and all that kind of stuff, and it's going to be all musical, Christmas concert. So that's at the sanctuary of Tulare Community Church.
Yaninga, Nihati Pahali, Kwaji, Amo Wednesday, Chitisiha, Kona Ligavi. Here we have Christmas concert to Hoje, Anile Lale, Jagela Jamolaje.
Oh, that's it. Well, then let me share something with you. This is not going to be preaching. I would just like to open up a little bit about myself. Pastor Idor has been asking me to give my testimony. You know, the story about how I became a Christian. Because I didn't start out a Christian. I didn't start out in a Christian home. We had no beliefs at all in the home I grew up in. And so you'd say, well, then why such a hard passage as the one that Pastor Idor read? Well, that's the passage when I read in the Bible, finally, and I'll tell you about that, when I read in the Bible, I read that passage and I knew who I was. I was on my way to the lake of fire. And it scared me into believing and trusting in Jesus.
ယာနီဘောဘုံခနဲမှာတွေ့ရင်မဲ့ဟောလဲငါယောဖက်လာရေအချင်းတပါယောဝေးအစာအလုံးတပါဟာစာခိခါမှာကားစီပါတော့လဲလာစီရောက်ယောဘောခရိယာရဲ့ကောက်ကိုလိုပွားကြီးချောတေကမှာဟေဟောခရိယာအဖက်ရေချောတပါမယူရေချောတပါရဲ့ကောက်ကိုလိုပွားကြီးဖက်ရောက်ကျပ်ပါတော့ငါဝေးအစာမှာကာတွေ့ရကိုဟာမောလဲအမီပိုကလိုကေဝတူယာဂါမောလဲကစရပါတော့လီပူချီဝတိမဟာဂွန်လဲမောချပါတော့ဂျာဂါချပါတော့ယနီနာဂျာယေလီပူချီဝတိမဟာလေဂွန်လဲကျွလဲပူစာခိခါစီယာအောင်ချင်း
I was born here in Visalia, but my family lived in Nebraska. We were farmers. We farmed corn and milo and wheat, and we sold that. We had a farm that produced really high quality grains, so it was sold for food. Most of the grain that is raised elsewhere goes for cattle feed and for seed to grow more food and stuff like that. And we lived near a town about 6-8 miles away from a town of about 300 people. Very small, very remote. And my mother became ill with cancer out on the farm, and there were no doctors. The nearest doctor was 60 miles away, and he didn't know what he was doing, so my mother died. And my father decided then, when I was about 9 years old, to move to California.
ပေါ်ရဘောဝဆလာကပေါ်ရရောက်လဲကလေးရကတိယောဝေးရကတိပါဘတ်စကလိုချဲကြီးကတိဝေအေယောယံဝေခောဘောကိုကြကြကြရောတိတိပါဝေခောစာခါလဲလာကြည့်လာရခါလဲဝေကြတုတော်တုတိပါပါကြဟောကြရောတိတိပါတေလဲကြတုတော်တုတိပါနုတိပါဟာကြပြေးကြီးတိပါခါလဲကတိလဲတေရေဖဲကြီးရောကတိရောये check किलो नहीं मोले में चाव ले कहते जाते निकले और ये ले कैंसर के ये जाओ कहते नहीं मोले कई की वीजा कहते वे ये ले कैंसर के ले कर्मा का जा पता कहते ले खाना ले सवे ले कहते ले ये ते बच्चे की होती कॉलेज और माँ ले नीले से लगा कहते ले मीटिंग माँ को कहते ये को छे ला आज जाओ कहते ले ये आशा को कहता ये सब ले पास में ले देखो
Probably because of the very, very hard death of my mother out on the farm, I became interested in medicine. So when we moved to California, there were no classes on medicine in Nebraska. So when we moved to California, when I got to high school, I was pre-med, deciding that I could work my life out by helping others better than doing something else.
Kita yo doi le lo la le opo ge tiao kolo yo we oji we na ji ha ko dong mo ga sia pa to yo na so te pho we ha yo we ni ma kolo hin tu do ga yo le na so te pa hin le te ka le ja vi ga we cho le ga pu ha cho pu ga vi ga tu ha to le high school ga le yo
When I was 16 years old in high school, I met my wife Linda at a college dance here at COS. I had snuck in to the dance because I wanted to meet women. And I saw her standing there, and it was love at first sight. And so I approached her and we danced all night long.
ချက်ထားတဲ့တိချီရောတိချီခေါ်ဂါသာအုံမာဟိခဲလင်တာရောမော်ရလေတရားထားရောဆူလာဘတေပွက်ကီလိုယမီဂျမွေအုံမာဝေဟာ 我这老也没了，对过来要买个工作做来个的来要为嘛做有大了嘛我的哈嘛不的来个的来多给几啦我的啦要去。
And we had a lot of fun, but I wrecked the night in that I told her I went to COS because I knew as a high school student I couldn't be with a college girl, right? So I lied to her, and she caught me. She's very inquisitive, Linda. And she asked me about different classes that I said I had taken, and I didn't know the professors or any of that kind of stuff, so she said, I never want to see you again.
Kita depo ya how we muti hatha ho yo we yami we hamole na uti dale dia pato yo we umma we college ko ge chela yo high school ko ge ya pato yo li we choya de pa ya yami ge gi no we ma cho to ya pato pa ya de vi la ge le yo li college ko ge che wala ge le to uda la ki la che de le to uda yo ko lo de pa to yu che ya ko uda de ya ka yo pa ya de ya umma si wala ge de umma we yami ma we yo de la ha ji ya che ko de le.
But I found out through her friends where she lived. And I'd get on my motorcycle and go out there and knock on the door. She would come to the door and slam the door in my face and all that, but I kept coming back because I knew that I wanted that girl. And later on, she began to accept me, let me into the house, and I would talk to her parents and all of that. And we began to be friends, and we started to go out on dates.
Yami ma we yo phaya de ya si we ya le yo li ko we le ke de we o cho ti pa ge yo kha lu che ji ja kao na mo yo ke de pe se pa to yami ma we ye ja ga le yo we la tha ne ji we le ye lo ka le ga mi tho ye pho la ji ke de pho li yo me ko so ga mi bu ba ye lai pho ke ti ye yo ke li yo gi ba ma te le ka ko ka le ka tha li ko ka pa to Umi la muja la la boga ya pato ya ma buli yo ha ju la yo a ge pe la cho te la to da la yo pa ge le na u ga ti ya o je.
Linda was from a believing family, a church-going family, and I wasn't. I had never been in a church before, and she invited me to go to church with them, and I thought that was really weird. But I went, and I was very nervous, and I got through it, and I got out, and I said, man, I don't know if I ever want to do that again. Go ahead.
Omi ma bo kriya ye kao ko lo kwa ye kriya phe che ji ya ta li ke li yo kriya ma te le ke te le yo we yami ha yo ge yo we bu ye lo kai le lo le bu a ji pa to ga kai yo ko lo mo ti ta an ja ji ya le mo mo jo ya pa to ke te mi le su sa la bu ma hi la ji te ya ga na yo ko lo le yo to ya chi ke te le ma ko ti ga le chi ke to la ya ji.
We went together